Accidentally deleted an important text message on your Android phone? Don't worry. Google Messages includes a built-in trash feature that lets you recover recently deleted conversations in just a few simple steps. To recover your deleted messages, start by opening the Google Messages app on your Android device. Next, tap your profile picture or the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen, depending on your app version. From the available options, select Trash to access recently deleted conversations. Browse through the list until you find the conversation you want to recover. Press and hold the conversation, then tap Restore. Within a few seconds, the selected conversation will be returned to your main inbox, allowing you to continue reading or replying to your messages as if they had never been deleted. Keep in mind that this method only works if the messages were deleted within the last 30 days and have not been permanently removed from the trash folder. If the trash folder is empty or the messages are older than 30 days, you may need to restore a previous device backup or use another recovery method if available. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can recover deleted Android messages in just a few moments.